Hello everyone, welcome back to TechChamps. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Vanish mode in Instagram DMs. Let's get it started. First, open the Instagram app and go to the chat where you want to enable Vanish mode. Now, swipe up from the bottom of the chat and keep holding until you see the Vanish mode animation. And release your finger and Vanish mode will be turned on. You will see a message confirming that disappearing message are now enabled. And any messages sent while Vanish mode is on will disappear after they have been seen and the chat is closed. If you want to turn Vanish mode off, simply swipe up from the bottom of the chat again and release. You will see a message confirming that Vanish mode has been turned off. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to TechChamps, and I'll see you in the next video.